guys, happy Vlogmas day 8. Yay! Oh my god, we are getting through these days. Actually, it's going by so quickly. Anyway, I wanted to say hello. I haven't said hi yet, and it is 2:57 p.m. So I already got through most of the work day, I feel. But you know what I haven't had? I actually have yet to have some coffee. I don't know what is going on other than the fact that I didn't have ice like originally, which I bought ice yesterday. I don't know, I just have woken up and like not been doing things in regards to coffee, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go make myself one. I want to take you guys along to make myself a coffee, and then after that we will see what the day holds for us. I don't have too many plans today. Just going to be responding to some emails, and I do have a lot of cleaning to do actually, so that's gonna be a moment. Actually, I do want to show you how cute my apartment is currently looking like, because we cleaned up yesterday and it looks so nice and clean in here, and the bathroom is clean and the kitchen is clean. One of the main things that I have to clean up today is my bedroom, and I also actually have to clean the bathtub because that has not been done yet. But yeah, my sister's gonna be here tomorrow, so I'm just making sure that it feels cozy and fun for her. So yeah, I do have to vacuum this area rug actually. Actually, I have to do quite a bit. Let's go get some coffee because she needs it. I have to hop on a meeting and then I will make my coffee. Oh my god, it is 4 o'clock and I have not made my coffee, and I feel like it's too late. I might have to do a decaf. No, I'll do regular. I just got into what I was working on and I just did not look up after that meeting. Okay, I'm gonna have to get my coffee set up. Also, these are my favorite coffee mugs ever. You can probably see it a little more behind here. I don't know. Like, they're clear and it's nice because it's glass, but it doesn't like heat up. Like the outside doesn't heat up because it's like double layered like this. There's like 2 parts of the glass. It's amazing. It also just looks so freaking pretty when you're drinking coffee. I don't know about you guys, but I really love watching like my coffee. Like, I just love watching and tasting it. It just like adds so much to it. Look at my coffee while I drink it. It makes it taste that much better. Cheers. Wow. You see, why didn't I make this earlier? I would have already been happy. Brandon out here making us dinner. He's making us some raviolis, right?
Making beef bolognese raviolis with 4 cheese pasta sauce, oregano, and Parmesan cheese.
Yummy. I, on the other hand, am gonna vacuum because this whole place needs some vacuuming. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back.
It's delicious.
We are watching the Croatia versus Brazil game, and Croatia just tied with Brazil. So they're probably gonna have to go into penalties, and I'm a little anxious about that because I don't know. I feel like South American teams sometimes with penalties, it can be very hit or miss. Yeah.
Isn't that with every team though?
Yes, but I feel like South American teams have more passion behind the sport and they feel more pressure behind it. Yeah, so that's what's been happening. So I'm obviously going to be combining day 8 and day 9 together. Oh, yeah, sorry guys. Happy Vlogmas day 9. Did I say that? No. But happy Vlogmas, and yeah, my sister comes today. I'm very excited about that. We're gonna have to pick her up from the LaGuardia airport later tonight, and then we're on our way back. But yeah, gotta do some stuff for that moment, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. So I have not really left the apartment too much. I went downstairs to drop off my laundry at the laundromat, but I'm currently watching the Argentina versus Netherlands game, and same thing that happened to Brazil is happening to Argentina right now. Like the 2-2, we're going to overtime, and if no one wins that, you know, we gotta do penalties, and penalties are just disastrous. So I don't know. Anyway, I have some cleaning to do before my sister arrives, but it's only 4 right now and she doesn't get in until 10:30. I'm getting really hungry though. What I'm gonna be making is the porcini mushroom and truffle ravioli. It's thin stuffed pasta with porcini mushroom and truffle, and it's actually really delicious. You can really taste the truffle, so if you don't like truffle, you might not really enjoy this. So I'm just gonna make this and just kind of make it a little bit of butter and some parm on top, and that's basically it. Nothing too crazy. I have to really watch this to see what's happening. Oh my god. I feel like every time I watch Argentina play, especially with like more semifinals, this is like quarterfinals even, but like when something is at stake, I feel like the drama that involves, or like the drama that like appears, is like so insane. Like there's just so much drama on the field. Like why are people always hitting each other, kicking each other, throwing each other on the ground? I don't know, do you guys watch soccer? I need to know. Yeah, I don't know. There's just so much drama, which personally I love to watch. It's like reality TV for me. Also, I'm so obsessed with my little kitchen. Like it's tiny and it's really hard to cook sometimes, but I love the way it looks. I think I did a pretty good job putting everything together. So let me show you what I need to clean up, and let me tell you why this happened. Look at this bedroom. Look at this bedroom. Was it like this? No. It was definitely not like this morning. So what happened was that Brandon lost his belt. He needed his belt. He needed his belt for work today, and we couldn't find it. So we just threw everything trying to find his belt, just to find it in this closet. It was disaster. But yeah, I have to go in and basically clean everything up, put everything in order. Okay, if anyone knows where to find some really cute wrapping paper, I'm really particular sometimes, but if anyone knows, let me know where you find your wrapping paper. I want to buy some good ones, because I want to like really wrap presents like on a different level this year. But if I can't, it's fine. I just usually, I don't know, I just kind of want it to look cute under the Christmas tree. Back to the game we go. Argentine. Argentine? I thought it was Argentinian. Argentinos? Argentine. I really don't like this goalkeeper either. I don't know. He's a little too like for me. I know he has like some bad behavior issues. I obviously want Argentina to go through, have some South American representation up in there. But damn. So what I was saying was that I absolutely hate penalties. I feel like it is something completely different that like I feel like other sports don't really do. But it's so heartbreaking for both teams, because maybe they both gave it their all, and they most likely both gave it their all, and you know, it's for like a big thing, and it's just sad to see him go like that versus just like playing the game and seeing who scores. But I feel really bad for, you know, Netherlands now. But obviously I want Argentina to win, like I was saying. Well, anyways, I can't eat this right now because now I have nerves. Now I'm nervous. Let's just get this over with. All right, Argentina, come on, you gotta make this, Argentina. My stomach is for real turning. But Argentina won. They just won. There's Messi. Her. Aww. I'm gonna cry. Bye. Brandon got his friend something for, I think it's a Secret Santa mostly. So he got his friend something really cute. I'm just out here trying to wrap it for him. I think it's like this little eclectic like antique store is where he got this at. The good thing is he really knows the person he got. I'm just out here wrapping it a little bit. There you go. Cute. Say hi to the vlog. Bye, Mom.
Ciao, Mom.
Bye, Fanny. All right, we are here. Danny is here, my sister. We're about to enjoy a slice, and that's it. That's literally it for Vlogmas day 9, 8 and 9. Bye.
Oh,
You want to say bye too?
see you guys.
Taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season.